dashboard server manager. Click add role and features. Click next. Click next. Click next. Select Active Directory domain services. Click next. Click next. Click install. Now installation is going on of Active Directory. Just wait few seconds. Last video I have learned how to install DNS server and how to install and configure Active Directory. Okay. Now today I will see how to configure DNS server. So just wait, the installation is going on. After complete, we will see how to configure DNS server. After installation of Active Directory, it is by default configure the primary forward lookup zone. Okay. So just wait. Now installation is completed. Now click promote domain controller for this server. Just wait. Just click add forest, and just in this tutorial we use test.com. Just click next. Now domain control option. It is a forest function label and domain function label is a 2016. Now insert the password, DSIM password for reading and like this. Click next. Click next. It is a by default will come NetBIOS name. It is a called test. Just wait. Yeah. Now click next. Just wait a few seconds. It is a path of installation of Active Directory. Click install. Click next. Just verify. Click next. This be requesting check. Just wait few seconds. Now it is a passed. Click install. Now installation is going on. It is going on. See, it is a configuration the DNS server services on this computer. Just wait, it is going on. Now installation is complete. Close this. About sign out. After just click close, it automatically will restart. Successfully. Now click closed. Now it is starting. After starting, This server is a converted to as a domain controller. Okay, just wait. Now starting is going on. Applying computer setting. Applying domain controller. Now it is successfully. Now okay, you can log in. Press Alt Control and Delete to for unlock. Now put the password. And our test is domain controller netdevice name. Admission is username. Now it is logged successfully. Just wait few seconds. Yeah. Now it is login successfully. Now see. Just wait for press. Yes. Now we will see how to configure DNS server. After installation or promoted a domain controller, DNS server automatically configure. So now we will check. Just wait. Yeah. See, I did DNS and now go to the Active Directory and computers and users. Check it is Active Directory domain control is configured or not. It is configured properly. See, expand user computers domain controller. users like this. Now close this. Now go to the tools and click DNS server. It is open DNS. See, it is a dialog box open of DNS. Expand. See, it is a configure desktop.com for forward lookup zone by default if you promote a domain controller this server. So it is not require created another zone. If you require, then you can create new zone. Otherwise, leave as it is. So we will check how to configure reserve lookup zone. Right click and go, and then put the IP address of domain controller. Just verify what is the IP address. Just go to the network card and check the net. Click. Just verify IP address. IP address is 10.0.2.15. Just close this dialog box and go to the DNS and put the first 3 digit. Now click next, next, and click next. It is a reserve lookup zone is configured properly. Now verify of NS lookup. Launch NS lookup and verify. Put the host name of the domain controller. Yeah, IP address. Just put host name. It is not coming. Reserve local zone. So put the IP address. We'll check. Oh, it is can't configure the PTR record. So we'll configure the PTR record. So go to the reserve lookup zone. Yeah, go to the test.com. Test.com and click the Active Directory domain controller. So that is now it is a created PTR record. Now again, okay. Now successfully completed. Install. Just verify.